Alright, good morning YouTube. This is Ohio Travels with Chris. And over the last week I received a package from a company called SuperClean. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing of what they sent. They said they were going to send sample size, and these are like full size, so I will get to it here in just a moment. Alrighty, here I am. Got the box here. And let's see. Already opened it. Do this for purpose sake. Let's see. I'll get this out. They sent me a free hat and a shirt. That. And here's the thing of degreaser. Let's see. And this is spray, another can of it. And info about how to dissolve the cleaner if you want it full strength, or different things you can clean with it. Got stuff for floor absorbent. Bring it in a little bit closer. There we go. You can get at AutoZone and other retailers. You do home, garage, manufacturing, sports fields, airport, transportation, farm, and drilling. The backs are empty. Well, got it on here. Got one for the wheels, car wheels, floor absorbent, aerosol can, one with a trigger. You can connect with them on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and there's the phone numbers and the email. Let's see. I'll take pictures of these so you can see them. See it. Full strength. You can do drain opener, floor wax remover, garbage disposals, ovens, scuff marks, shop floors. Outdoor, you can do the grills, concrete, lawnmowers, tractors, chainsaws, sprayers, farm equipment. You can do it on auto parts, engines, tires, underbodies, shop equipment. Also on your RV. Inboard, outboard engines, water line stains, RV black streaks, marine bilges, diesel and exhaust stains. If you want to dilute it, I will do pictures of this when I'm done. Also sent me a sticker. So thank you, Jennifer, and I will get this uploaded and I will send you a link. I really appreciate it and hope we can hope I can do a good job with this. Hope you all have a good day. Take care. Blessings. Peace.